how to fix iPhone that turns off automatically and won't turn on. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any update. So today I'll tell you 3 reasons how your phone might turn off automatically, and I'll also help you solve it. So first things first, you'll need to force restart the iPhone by pressing the volume buttons and holding the side button at the same time. So sometimes force restarting a device also fixes a lot of issues. Now, second is go to your settings and then tap on battery. Now, tap on battery health and charging. And if your battery health is below 80%, then that can lead to shutdowns and performance issues. So, make sure to take your phone to an Apple authorized service provider to replace the battery to restore full performance and capacity. And next is come back and then go to general and tap on software update. So make sure that iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version, as previous bugs may cause the device to turn off unexpectedly. So these are some of the common problems related to battery health and software, and some of the solutions that you can use to fix your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.